Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Namaste everyone. Here we are, Bhavi Jain, Ambika Bedi,
Ganesh Soni, Pranjal Bhatia,
and Purab Kothari. We are currently in this beautiful city of Amritsar, and in this episode of Terra Talk, we will be doing a talk show about our trip to Amritsar.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
Lessons from our journey through Amritsar. Some of the best places to visit here in Amritsar are the magnificent Golden Temple, Jallianwala Bagh with its rich history, the huge Govindgarh Fort, historical Maharaja Ranjit Singh Museum. We also got the opportunity to learn about the Sikh community, their beliefs, rituals, past kings and brave ancestors. The Golden Temple is their holiest shrine with hundreds of visitors per day.
Amritsar has an unforgettable history as it plays a huge part in the independence of the country, with the Jallianwala Bagh massacre creating an upsurge of protests all over the country, which was the beginning of the end of British rule. The retreat ceremony at Atari Wagah border started in 1952 to encourage unity between India and Pakistan and has since been performed every single day. The Haiti Govindgarh Fort is a 43 acres of plot in which only 7 acres is open to the public. Maharaja Ranjit Singh conquered it during the early 19th century and renamed it the Govindgarh Fort.
The Maharaja Ranjit Singh Museum in Amritsar is located in his summer palace. The museum contains the life, art and achievements of Maharaja Ranjit Singh and the 18th and 19th century Sikh era. The museum showcases a rich collections of artifacts including armory, paintings, diaries and dresses. Amritsar is the heart of Punjab. It is a beautiful place with a rich history, and without it, our country's independence would have been delayed by multiple years. Punjab is home to the largest community of Sikhs in the world. With its glorious monuments and various places with their historic background, Amritsar is truly one of the most magnificent places on earth. Thank you to the EdTerra team, teachers and fellow schoolmates. This trip is nothing if not memorable, and we will forever have a fond place for it in our hearts. Signing out from Amritsar, the students of TSMSG.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.